Hey guys, how you doing? This is Josh from Kingdom DTF. Today we are just in the last day of the trade show, International Sign Expo 2022 here in Atlanta, Georgia, with CADlink, as you can see there. So we're going to sell our t-shirt for just $10, guys, and also we're selling printers for $5. I'm giving away a bunch of samples with our pen here, and we got the new product transferring that is going to be soon available on our website. I hope so. You can see, different stuff here. Really nice. So we continue running our printer, the Knight 12. I'm doing a bunch of prints over here. You can see nice colors, guys, right here. You can see. And so if you got any questions, guys, just send a message over info@kingdomdtf.com. Also, you can check out our website, kingdomdtf.com. Check us on Instagram, check us on Facebook. You can check us on basically social media over there. And if you got, again, any question, just leave your comment below on the video because we always answering back, okay? So don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my videos. Also hit the like button and click the bell notification. So that way you know when we get new videos and content out there. So as always, guys, my name is Josh from Kingdom DTF. Keep printing, and thank you so much, guys, for being part of this community. All right, see you later, guys.